Page 15, Duet. 4/4 time, 1 sharp in the key signature, so again we're in the key of G major. All the F's would be sharped. There aren't any F's, doesn't matter. It's in the key of G major. You gotta have a sharp in the key signature, so there you are. Take it one hand at a time. We got 8th notes in here. So you start out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. That's the rhythm. Left hand has the same rhythm, just different notes. You're starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2. Makes sense. It's a duet, and each hand is playing one part of the duet. Put them together. Now be careful because you're playing different notes and different fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So forth. Y'all have to go that fast to go at your speed, but get it to where you can play the whole thing without any hesitations anywhere. And when I first learn a piece of music, I try and play the whole thing legato. Forget the phrasing and all that, just try and connect everything. That makes sure my fingers are working properly and I got a good fingering. I don't really have to worry about it here, but I'm trying to get into a habit of doing it regardless of whether you need to or not. Now, we had the slurs. Well, there's slurring each measure. 3, lift up. Both hands have the same slurs. 2, 3, 4. Just lift up between each slur and each hand together. We have the dynamics. The first line is moderately soft. The next line is moderately loud. The second line's louder than the first is all it means. It's whatever you think moderately soft is, and it's both hands the same here because it's a duet. And then the second line is louder. Not loud, just on the loud side of the middle. Whatever that is, I don't know. And that's the duet. Speed is moderato is somewhere in the middle. It's a range. What do you feel this should be? Not fast, not slow, just in the middle. To me, a moderato is like if when I'm walking and I know I'm going someplace, I'm headed someplace. I'm walking to something. It's not a casual walk. It's not a speed walk, but I'm walking and I'm headed somewhere, and it's that about that. 1, 2, left, right. But you have to feel this, and it has to be the overall flow of the piece is moderato, not the beat necessarily. Now this 2 lines long, there's no repeats or anything, it's very short. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do it in dynamics. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just go over it slowly together. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 4,